Turkmenistan, a land shrouded in mystery, holds a treasure trove of natural wonders. This Central Asian nation, with a history as rich as its landscapes, offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Journey with us as we unveil the scenic beauty of Turkmenistan, from fiery craters to ancient cities swallowed by the desert. Discover the allure of Turkmenistan's untouched landscapes, where nature's artistry reigns supreme. Prepare to be captivated by the vibrant colors, the symphony of sounds, and the raw beauty that awaits. Join us as we delve into the heart of this captivating country. In the heart of the Karakum Desert lies a fiery spectacle that has captivated travelers for decades. The Darvaza Gas Crater, aptly nicknamed the Gates of Hell, is a sight to behold. A burning pit of natural gas, it has been ablaze for over 50 years, casting an eerie glow across the desert night. The story goes that Soviet geologists accidentally punctured a natural gas cavern in 1971. To prevent the spread of methane gas, they decided to ignite it, expecting it to burn out within a few weeks. Little did they know, the crater would continue to burn, becoming a symbol of Turkmenistan's untamed beauty. Standing at the edge of the crater, you can feel the heat radiating from the inferno below. The roar of the flames is mesmerizing, a testament to the raw power of nature. As darkness descends, the gates of hell truly come alive, casting an otherworldly glow across the desolate landscape. Journey to the western edge of Turkmenistan, and you'll stumble upon a spectacle of color and erosion, Galkynysh Canyon. Imagine a landscape sculpted by wind and time, where fiery hues of red, orange, and yellow paint the canyon walls. This geological marvel is a photographer's dream, a testament to nature's artistry. Formed over millions of years, Galkynysh Canyon stands as a silent witness to the power of erosion. The wind, like an invisible sculptor, has carved intricate patterns into the soft sandstone cliffs. As the sun dips below the horizon, the canyon transforms, its colors deepening and intensifying. Walking through Galkynysh is like stepping into a surreal painting. The silence is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind. The sheer scale of the canyon walls is awe-inspiring, a reminder of the insignificance of man in the face of nature's grandeur. Venture into the heart of the Kugatang Mountains, and you'll find yourself transported back to the age of dinosaurs. The Dinosaurs Plateau, a vast expanse of Jurassic limestone, is home to over 3,000 dinosaur footprints. These fossilized tracks, preserved for over 150 million years, offer a glimpse into a prehistoric world. Imagine a time when giant reptiles roamed this land, leaving their indelible mark on the earth. The Dinosaurs Plateau is a paleontological treasure trove, a testament to Turkmenistan's rich history. Scientists from around the world flock to this site, eager to unravel the mysteries of the past. As you walk among the footprints, you can almost hear the thunderous footsteps of these ancient giants. The Dinosaurs Plateau is a place where time stands still, a reminder of the vastness of geological history. Section 5. The Caspian Shores, a Serene Escape. Escape the desert heat and journey to the shores of the Caspian Sea where serenity awaits. Turkmenistan's Caspian coastline offers a tranquil retreat with pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a gentle sea breeze. This is the perfect place to relax and soak up the beauty of nature. Imagine strolling along the sandy beaches, listening to the gentle lapping of the waves. The Caspian Sea is teeming with life, from schools of fish to flocks of migratory birds. The sunsets over the Caspian are legendary, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. For those seeking adventure, the Caspian offers opportunities for sailing, fishing, and swimming, or simply relax on the beach, soak up the sun, and let the tranquility of the Caspian wash over you. Section 6. Khao Ada, an underground lake of wonder. Deep beneath the Koytndag Mountains lies a hidden wonder, Khao Ada, an underground lake of thermal waters. Descend into the darkness, and you'll emerge into a cavern illuminated by sunlight filtering through a natural opening in the ceiling. The lake's turquoise waters, heated by geothermal activity, are said to have healing properties. Legend has it that the lake was formed when a meteorite crashed into the mountains, creating a crater that filled with water. The local people believe that the waters of Khao Ada have curative powers, and many come to bathe in its warmth. Swimming in Khao Ada is an unforgettable experience. The water is incredibly buoyant, making you feel weightless. The silence of the cavern is broken only by the sound of dripping water, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and wonder. Section 7. Merv Echoes of Ancient Empires. Step back in time and explore the ruins of Merv, once a thriving city along the Silk Road. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the grandeur of ancient empires. Wander through the remnants of palaces, mosques, and mausoleums, imagining the bustling life that once filled these streets. Founded over 2,500 years ago, Merv was a major center of trade and culture. It was ruled by a succession of empires, from the Persians to the Seljuk Turks. Today, the ruins of Merv stand as a silent witness to the rise and fall of civilizations. As you explore the crumbling walls and towers, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Merv is a place where history comes alive, a reminder of the enduring legacy of human civilization. Nestled high in the Kopetdag Mountains lies Nokur, a remote village seemingly suspended between earth and sky. This isolated community, with its unique traditions and breathtaking views, offers a glimpse into a world untouched by modernity. The journey to Nokur is an adventure in itself, winding through mountain passes and along precipitous cliffs. The people of Nokur have preserved their ancient customs and way of life for centuries. They are known for their hospitality, welcoming visitors with open arms and sharing their culture with pride. The village is a living museum, where traditional houses, crafts, and cuisine are still practiced today. Standing on the edge of the village, overlooking the vast expanse of mountains and valleys, you feel a sense of awe and wonder. Nokur is a place where time seems to stand still, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. In the heart of the Karakum Desert lies an unexpected oasis, the Repetek Biosphere State Reserve. This protected area is a haven for desert flora and fauna, a testament to the resilience of life in even the harshest environments. Explore the sand dunes, salt flats, and Saxol forests, discovering a hidden world of beauty and diversity. The Repetek Reserve is home to a surprising array of plants and animals, all adapted to survive in the extreme desert conditions. From desert monitors to goitered gazelles, the reserve offers a glimpse into the fascinating world of desert ecology. Walking through the reserve, you can feel the heat radiating from the sand. The silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the Saxol trees. Repetek is a reminder that even in the most desolate landscapes, life finds a way to thrive. Covering over 70% of Turkmenistan's landmass, the Karakum Desert is a vast expanse of sand dunes, salt flats, and arid plains. This unforgiving landscape, with its extreme temperatures and sparse vegetation, is both daunting and beautiful. Venture into the heart of the Karakum, and you'll discover a world of stark beauty and unexpected wonders. The Karakum is a place of extremes, where temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius during the day and plummet below freezing at night. Despite the harsh conditions, life persists in this desolate landscape. Camels roam the dunes while desert foxes and lizards seek shelter in the sparse vegetation. As you journey through the Karakum, you can feel the immensity of the desert. The endless expanse of sand dunes stretching as far as the eye can see is both humbling and awe-inspiring. The Karakum is a reminder of the power of nature, a place where only the most resilient can survive. Turkmenistan, a land of hidden treasures, awaits your exploration. From the fiery depths of the gates of hell to the serene shores of the Caspian Sea, this Central Asian nation offers a tapestry of scenic beauty and cultural wonders. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on your Turkmenistan adventure today and discover a world untouched by time. Which of these stunning landscapes captivated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Together, let's explore the world's hidden gems.